The Agostinho Neto Hospital is the biggest and busiest healthcare facility in Cape Verde, serving not only the capital Praia, but all 9 inhabited islands that make up the archipelago. For the small team of local doctors, it's a demanding workload. But thanks to a special partnership with China, the central hospital is able to meet the public health needs of Cape Verde citizens. Chinese doctors first arrived in Cape Verde in 1984, with each team spending 2 years in the country.
Logo depois da independência, Cabo Verde não tinha quadros diferenciados.
After independence, Cape Verde didn't have specialists in healthcare, like specialist surgeons or gynecologists. The Chinese medical team brought their skills. These were specialists that were really useful for our team, and this cooperation continues to benefit Cape Verde.
Today, with the 17th mission taking up residency, it's not unusual to see Chinese and Cape Verdean doctors sitting side by side discussing patients and treatment plans, performing surgeries, and consulting on a range of procedures. One of the most significant outcomes of the healthcare cooperation has been Chinese investment in maternity and pediatrics.
Since this cooperation started in the Agostinho Neto Hospital, China has sent specialized staff in the area of pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology. This has helped to reinforce our competencies and improve our indicators in terms of decreasing child mortality.
Muito complicado.
Though language and cultural differences have presented some challenges, the doctors have integrated well.
You know, I think it's 2 points of the success of this cooperation. The first thing is, I think, is the respect. The Chinese come here not to show us what we must do, but to cooperate with us and to help us what we want to do. And the second thing, I think, is the Chinese discipline.
A cooperação chinesa, a equipa chinesa é sem dúvida.
The Chinese medical team without a doubt adds value to our services because they are technically competent. They do struggle with language and food, but that is understandable. Overall, though, they collaborate with us in all the activities we do here.
Das atividades que nós fazemos aqui.
And the patients too appreciate the level of care provided by the Chinese doctors.
The doctor did an excellent job. He treats me well and he always comes here to see me and to ask me how I feel and where I am feeling pain. It is excellent.
2 years isn't really a long time, so that means we must pay a lot of attention and focus on the work required to successfully complete the mission. We hope to bring advanced skills and medical innovation. That is what we would like to share and leave with the local doctors.
The healthcare partnership between China and Cape Verde has been in existence for over 3 decades. And like the teams before them, the 17th Chinese medical mission will bring life-saving medical care, support and infrastructure to the island in a positive example of cooperation between 2 nations. Lindy, Mtongana, CGTN, Cape Verde.